The SOYUS Cordless electric lawn mower offers an efficient and convenient solution for maintaining a pristine lawn. With its 15-inch cutting width and 40L grass bag capacity, this mower is well equipped to meet the needs of various lawn sizes. One of its standout features is the brushless motor, which operates quietly and with minimal vibration, providing powerful performance without the noise and hassle associated with gas or corded lawn mowers. This makes for a more pleasant mowing experience, especially in residential areas where noise pollution is a concern. The mower offers 6 cutting heights, ranging from 0.98 inches to 2.95 inches, allowing users to customize their mowing experience based on the desired lawn height. This versatility ensures that the mower can handle a variety of grass lengths and types. Equipped with two 4.0R batteries, the SOYUS Cordless electric lawn mower delivers extended runtime, with over 40 minutes of continuous operation. Additionally, these batteries are compatible with other SOYUS tools, providing added convenience for users who already own other products from the brand's lineup. Furthermore, SOYUS stands behind its product with a 1-year warranty and responsive customer service. This provides peace of mind for buyers, knowing that they can rely on support from the manufacturer if any issues arise. In summary, the SOYUS Cordless electric lawn mower offers a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly solution for lawn maintenance, backed by reliable performance and excellent customer service.